that people who are residing in tribal areas also have good knowledge about local medicinal plants that are available. Does the government have any plan to get this knowledge, gather this knowledge through district collectors? And this can also be useful for creating patents.
Sir, the government is thoroughly aware of all these aspects, including the knowledge of Indian systems of medicine, which is there with our tribal people also. And the aim of this traditional knowledge digital library has always been to collect all this information and also to ensure that this knowledge is translated in the relevant languages also from our Indian languages. And as far as your specific query about the knowledge which is with the tribal people, I think in the answers, second part of the answer where you had asked about the center in some activity in Himachal Pradesh, I have specifically answered that one of our prestigious institutions there of CSIR, we have already assigned them this job of also collecting relevant information about Soya Rigpa also, and also the knowledge which is available with the tribal people. So we are thoroughly aware of this particular aspect also.
Thank you. Second supplementary, Priyanka ji.
So my second question to the Honourable Minister would be whether any cases of theft have been, as far as our traditional knowledges are concerned, have been detected by the government. If so, the details, as well as whether cases of registration of patents of such traditional knowledge have been done in foreign countries, and if any action has been taken against it.
As I have also answered, and this CSIR, with the help of TKDL, is proactively working on this issue. And in fact, this TKDL was basically formed with this was one of the very important aims of this. And till now, almost over 200, you see such cases where proactively we have protested and lodged our registered our complaint before the patent organizations of US and other European unions and other places, and we have successfully won those cases. And right now the number of such cases which we have won is 240, and I think I have mentioned it in the answer also.
Thank you. Question number